If you have a small business, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this hack. Most small businesses I know order their boxes from Uline, which once you get up to these higher numbers, you're getting significant discounts. But if you're only looking to get 100 boxes, it's $111. But that's before you account for shipping and HST. After that, you're looking at $104.55. Over here I have Staples. So this is for a 50 pack of boxes, but if you double that, you're looking at about $60. This is with the small business savings. Super easy to sign up for if you want. So I doubled that and looked to get 100 boxes. And Staples doesn't have a shipping fee. So with HST, you're looking at $65.74. So if you're ordering about 100, 200 boxes at a time, I highly suggest checking out Staples. And I mean, I will say it's a different style of box. Like, these are the ones that open from the top, and these ones are more of like an Amazon box style. But if you're just starting out as a small business, this can be a great way to save money.